Feed your adventure with a PullKitchen. Setting up in just 10 seconds, PullKitchens make cooking on the go familiar, fun, and simple. Each PullKitchen provides 2 burners, sink with running water, storage, onboard power and lights, and even a removable cutting board. Lift tops keep your flat spaces close at hand. The propane hookup is intuitive and easy to access. Washing your hands on the go is once again simple. With a PullKitchen, now you can cook like you do at home. Packing up a PullKitchen takes the work out of camping. What was once scattered in bins now has a place and a home. Closing up a PullKitchen is easy when everything neatly packs up till you arrive at your next destination. PullKitchens are designed for trucks, trailers, vans, RVs, and even large SUVs. Feed your adventure with a PullKitchen. Configure and order your PullKitchen today at PullKitchen.com.